You're watching Little Captain TV. He goes like woo 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 woo. Follow my wolf, okay? I'll teach you. You go like.
All right, Eli, come on. Yeah, I saw it. That's where you should go fishing. Look at the geese. You see geese, Eli? Ow. Where what leads?
This big rock. Yeah. And nobody is not strong enough for it. But I'm strong enough for big rocks.
Oh, there's the geese. All the geese in the pond. Then the hawk babies. I think that's the baby hauler up there.
Come, Eli.
Ah, there it is. Yeah, that's the hawk. Look, hon. Mommy and Daddy Hawk with the babies up there.
There. You gotta put it in front of his nose. Okay, no French fry, no mind. Alright, put it back.
Oh, yeah.
There.
Yes, Mike.
There's all the geese out in the pond. There's all these little bugs flying around. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're flying all over the place. Eli! Come, Eli! Eli! Come, boy! Come, boy! Come, boy! Hey, boy, you got some squirrels?
Hey, he don't feed you.
Guys, it's toasty outside today. Smoky's kind of weather.
Yes.
I go into nature, Miss Ebony Booty Queen.
Oh man, I missed it. He went down in the creek and he swam around a little bit too. Oh my goodness. Now we gotta walk around till he's dry, cause ooh, this bridge is shaky. There you go. That's right. Good boy. Shake it off away from us. Or me.
Wait, why did he win in there?
You got it, yeah.
Come on. Let's get him. Come, sit him. Come. Go.
Look at him.
It's like, It's like, No, don't. Wait, stop. Be careful, please.
You live in that water, weren't you? Yeah.